Good morning. I'll be discussing about the WAN, which is for the dynamic routing configuration. So, first of all, it was required to take three PCs with different subnets. So, this is of class A, this PC is of class B, and this is of class C. And according to those, IP addresses randomly are taken, set to the default gateway. If this is 10.10.2, then this is will be the default gateway of it. Similarly, for this, these three PCs are connected to switches and respective routers. These three routers are connected to form a WAN, connected via the Ethernet, fast Ethernet. And then after this, we are setting the configuration for router 2. For the router 2, we'll be setting the in the fast Ethernet 0 one, though, which is connected with the PC side. It will be the configuration of the default gateway for the network 1, that is 10.10.10.0. This is the default gateway for network 1. So that will be the IP configuration, IPv4 address for this router 1 for the fast Ethernet 0 and on. And for the since this is connected router 0 and router 1 with the serial of on the serial side, serial 2 side, I have set the IP 40.40.40.2 and 40.40.40.3. We can just do that by going to the serial 2. This one is which is connected to the router through router 1, and then just on. Similarly, for this router 1 and for the router 2, okay, this is the serial 3 which is connected with the router 2, and for that I have set the 50 class, 50.50.50.0. This will be the class for them. And similarly, fast Ethernet 0 for router 1 will be again the default gateway of network 2, and this will be the default gateway of this one network. So after this, we have to go for the doing for RIP, which is the dynamic configuration. For RIP, what we have to do is that for I've written over here for router 1, we have to first add the IP series of network 1, that is the 10.10.0. Then we have to add the IP series of 40.40.0. So like we have to go to the RIP. This is for 1. We have to just type in here 10.10.10.0.0, and we'll add it, and then 40.40.40.0 it will add it, and then cross. Again for this, for the router 1, since there are three connections 50, 40 and 129, we'll add those respective classes IP series in the RIP section of this router RIP, and add these three addresses. And similarly for router 2, go to the RIP and we'll add these three addresses because these are the connections 50 and 192. And after this, there is a complete setup has been done, and now we can perform dynamic. I'll take a packet, pass it from 0, or I'll take a packet and make it go from PC1 to PC2. I'll just start a simulation. This is going from PC1 to switch 1. I can see the time the device it is traveling on the simulation panel. Right now I'm sending another packet from PC0 to PC1. Okay, so there is a green tick and I can see the status as successful from PC0 to PC1. That means the packet is being successfully delivered from PC0 to PC1. If we want to, I'll just stop the simulation. PC2 declined it, obviously. And I'll just delete this now. if I want to, instead of sending a packet, if I want to ping PC1, what I'll just do, I'll go to the command prompt, I'll just write ping, and I'll write the IP address of our PC1, that is 192.129.102.102. Again, I can see that again this packet has been delivered. It's the exact backend which happens on the pinging side. Okay, I can see it has been delivered, and yes, I can also see the reply from the PC1. Yes, thank you.